Hello guys, this is Swati and welcome to Spice and Mayo. I'm so happy to have you here. Today's recipe is baked donuts filled with Nutella and strawberry jam. The ingredients would be in the description box below. So let's get started. Let's start with mixing the dry ingredients first. In a large bowl, take 1 cup flour along with salt, dry instant yeast, sugar and pinch of nutmeg. Nutmeg gives the donuts a hint of spice. Try not to skip it. And now give it a nice mix and keep it aside to use later. Moving on to the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, take room temperature butter, milk, egg yolk and vanilla extract. Beat this mixture slightly. Now combine the wet and the dry mixture in the larger bowl. Once everything is well combined, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you should notice few bubbles. At this point, add the remaining flour and mix it well to form a smooth dough. You can knead the dough at this point with clean hands. Once the dough is smooth, cover it again with plastic wrap and leave it for 2 hours. The dough should be double in size at this point. Dust the work surface with flour and scoop out the dough onto the work surface. Roll out the dough to approx 1 inch thickness. Use a round cookie cutter to cut out the donuts. I'm using a glass here. You can use anything with sharp edges. Arrange the donuts on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover the tray and leave the donuts to rise for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, the donuts are ready to bake. In a preheated oven, bake the donuts at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes or till they turn slightly golden. The donuts are ready after 12 minutes. Prepare a sugar and cinnamon mixture in a bowl. While the donuts are still warm, apply some melted butter and coat the donuts with sugar and cinnamon mix. Now for the final step, carefully slit through the donuts using a knife, then fill the donuts using piping bags. You can use any filling of your choice. I've used Nutella and strawberry jam here. These donuts are so soft and so yummy. Best of all, they are baked, not fried. I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share to show some support. Thanks for watching.